Oh, hi friends! And welcome back to Lollybeep Bridge. It is nearly Christmas time. Ooh, oh, that's very Christmassy. All right, so today's kitchen project are dipped wafer cookies. These dipped wafer cookies are super simple, super cute, and very tasty. Okay, so we have gathered all of the ingredients that we need for this project. So we've gathered quite a few, but you don't need quite this many sprinkles or colors, but it's just what we want to do today. So this is our set of ingredients for this project. All right, so we have our ingredients. Next, let's protect our Christmas sweater. I feel so festive today. All right, so we're gonna protect our Christmas sweater and let's go wash our hands, because when we do anything in the kitchen with food, we wanna make sure that our hands are nice and clean. All right, now that our hands are nice and clean and dry, the next step is to melt our candy melts so that we can dip our wafers into them. So we have red candy melts, green candy melts, and we have white chocolate chips. Ooh. Okay, so let's get these in the microwave so we can get started decorating our project. Okay, so all of our candy melts are melted. So the next thing we have to do is just dip in our wafer cookies. I mean, it's really that simple. Okay, so what color should we start with first? Green? Yeah, the color of Christmas trees. Okay, so this is all you have to do. Choose your color. You can use any color you want. Choose your sprinkles. This one? Ooh. Okay, and then you're gonna take your wafer cookie and you are gonna dip it right to the bottom of your glass. Can you see that? Okay, so now that it's covered in green candy, we are simply going to put it in our sprinkles. And you can do one side, you can do both sides. It really just depends on how much you like sprinkles. I really like sprinkles. Everyone here in Lollybeep Bridge really likes sprinkles, so we are gonna cover it in sprinkles. Okay, oh, it's dripping. Ah, they're falling off. All right, friends, so this is a little bit messy in the kitchen, so don't forget to have your grown-ups' permission before you do this. Okay, so let's try another color. How about red? Yeah. You know who loves red? Santa. Yeah, he does. So let's make a red one, and we'll use our little crushed peppermint on this one. Okay, are you ready? Dip it in. Let it drain just a little bit. Oh, these are so messy. I love it. Okay, and then let's dip this one in our peppermint. And for this one, we'll just do one side. Do you see that? Yeah, and if you miss some spots, you can just sprinkle it on, just like that. It's that easy. And you know what? I know you can do it because, well, I have faith in you. And I know that you're getting really good in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few more, but why don't we take a look at the ingredients we need to make this project? Wafer cookies, white chocolate chips, red candy melts, green candy melts, Christmas sprinkles, and crushed candy canes. So what do you think, friends? Pretty easy on the ingredients, huh? Yeah. And these are so much fun to make. Look how beautiful they are. All right, friends, well, I have had a lot of fun sharing this kitchen project with you today, and I really hope that you'll enjoy doing it as well. And don't forget, if you do decide to make this kitchen project, ask your grown-up to snap a picture and tag us on Instagram at Lollybeep Ridge so that we can follow your journey in the kitchen. All right, friends, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.